Welcome to True Finance, where your financial future begins with clarity and confidence.
Ever wondered if your hard-earned cash is slipping through your fingers? It's like a mystery novel. Only the plot revolves around your disappearing cash. Picture this. You've put in the grind, but your bank balance tells a different story. What if I told you there are things you're shelling out for that you don't need? What if I told you there are things draining your wallet that you can ditch right now? Well, you have to stick around, because today we're diving into the 7 money pits that we should ditch forever. By the end of this video, you'll have the insider scoop on saving those precious dollars. You'll be equipped with savvy strategies to trim unnecessary expenses. Say goodbye to money pits and hello to a fatter wallet. We're not just talking about budgeting, we're dissecting spending habits to help you hit those financial milestones sooner. So buckle up for a journey into a wallet-friendly lifestyle. Convenience charges. To start things off, have you ever found yourself staring at your bank statement, wondering why it resembles a minefield of mysterious charges? You're not alone. Think of these fees as tiny ninjas stealthily swiping cash from your pocket every month. It's like having your personal money magician performing a disappearing act, leaving you scratching your head. These charges, often disguised as convenience fees, are the silent but relentless pickpockets of your hard-earned money. They slip in when you least expect it, a couple of dollars here, a few there. Harmless, right? Well, multiply that by 12 months, and suddenly you're handing over a Netflix subscription to your bank without even realizing it. So, how do you fight back? It's simpler than you think. Take a cue from my experience. I decided to confront the money ninjas by having a heart-to-heart with my bank. Lo and behold, those fees disappeared faster than a magician's rabbit. It turns out a friendly chat with your bank representative can make those charges vanish into thin air. Don't let convenience fees take the joy out of your hard-earned money. Get proactive, have that conversation with your bank, and take charge of your financial destiny. Your wallet will thank you, and you'll have more control over where your money goes. Because let's face it, who needs ninjas stealing from their pocket? Remember, your money, your rules. Imagine looking at your bank balance next month and not seeing those sneaky charges. That's the power of taking control of your finances. Your money should work for you, not disappear like magic tricks. So let's kick off our journey to financial freedom by saying no to those pesky convenience charges. It's about turning the tables. So here's your battle plan. Spot those stealthy fees, initiate a friendly chat with your bank, and watch those charges vanish. You're not just saving money, you're reclaiming your financial freedom. Now that we've mastered the art of vanquishing convenience charges, let's set our sights on another financial foe, the allure of high-stakes games. High-stakes games. Now picture this. You've just hit the legal gambling age and the casino beckons like a glitzy wonderland of possibilities. Your Friday nights become a ritual of slot machines, hoping for that elusive jackpot. It's a thrill, right? Well, hold on to your chips because we're about to explore why gambling might be a riskier bet than you think. The allure of the casino, the flashing lights, the tingling anticipation, and the dream of striking it rich. I've been there, tossing money into those tempting slot machines, convinced that fortune was just a spin away. Little did I know, those odds were playing a game of hide-and-seek with my wallet. Well, let's talk about the numbers. The odds of winning the grand prize on a slot machine? A staggering one in 49,836,032. Yep, you read that right. Suddenly, the dream of retiring on a casino win starts looking more like a fairy tale than a financial strategy. But let's face the hard truth. Like many, we've learned this lesson the hard way, losing more than we'd care to admit. It's not just about the money, it's about understanding the game's rigged nature. The saying goes, the house always wins, and truer words were never spoken in the glittering world of casinos. Unfortunately, gambling often becomes a cycle of hope, loss, and chasing that elusive win. It's easy to get caught up, throwing caution and cash to the wind. But here's the kicker. The more you play, the less likely you are to come out on top. The house has a playbook, and it's not in your favor. So, what's the takeaway? Acknowledge the allure, but resist the temptation. Break free from the cycle of hoping for a jackpot and redirect that money towards something with more predictable returns. Spoiler alert, your financial future will thank you. Imagine a Friday night where your wallet stays full, and the thrill comes from smart financial choices, not spinning reels. It's time to make a pact with yourself. No more gambling. Your financial well-being deserves better odds than the casino offers. Now, as we leave the casino lights behind, we're gearing up for our next financial adventure. But first, share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever been tempted by the allure of gambling, and how did you resist? Now let's roll the dice and explore the next frontier of financial wisdom, the realm of credit card interest charges. Debt dilemma. Brace yourself for a sobering reality check. Americans are swimming in over $1 trillion of credit card debt. How did we get here? It's time to unravel the intricate web of credit card interest charges and discover the escape route to financial freedom. Picture this, a mountain of credit card debt growing year after year. As of 2019, Americans collectively owed over $1 trillion, a staggering leap from just 5 years prior. It's not just the amount. It's the billions paid annually in interest that's bleeding wallets dry. You see, the credit card dance is a tricky one. Paying only the minimum balance might seem like a safe move, preserving your credit score, but here's the catch. Each unpaid dollar incurs an average interest of 19.24%. Suddenly, that $1,000 purchase on your 18% interest card becomes a financial snowball rolling downhill. Breaking free from the credit card interest cycle starts with discipline. Only charge what you can comfortably repay, avoiding the minimum balance trap. It's a mindset shift, viewing your credit card not as a bottomless well, but as a tool for responsible spending. Take it up a notch by setting up automatic credit card payments. Even with the best intentions, forgetting to pay can trigger the interest monster. Automation ensures your bills are settled promptly, putting a leash on accumulating interest. Now, if you're already caught in the interest whirlwind, there's hope. Consider moving your debt to a lower interest line of credit. Instantly slashing those interest expenses allows you to focus on the principal amount, steering your financial ship in calmer waters. Envision a future where your credit card statement reflects your purchases, not a litany of interest charges. It's a journey to financial freedom, one disciplined payment at a time. As we bid adieu to the credit card debt dilemma, share your insights in the comments. Have you battled credit card interest charges? And what strategies worked for you? The journey to financial wisdom continues. So let's navigate to our next destination, the world of entertainment expenses. Cable conundrum. Now, when was the last time you rushed home to catch a show at its scheduled time? If the answer involves a nostalgic chuckle or a puzzled expression, you're not alone. Cable subscriptions are facing a mass exodus as more and more people opt for flexible and budget-friendly alternatives. So, let's cut the cord on the outdated and pricey world of cable television. As time evolves, people are starting to bid farewell to cable subscriptions. The culprit? Streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Hulu. It's not just about cutting costs. It's about embracing a new era of entertainment that aligns with our on-demand lifestyles. Picture this. 150 million people immersed in Netflix every month, followed by 90 million on Amazon Prime and 55 million on Hulu. The shift is not just a cost-saving measure, it's a content revolution. Streaming services offer a treasure trove of original content, outshining traditional television. But wait, there's another player in the game, the platform you're on right now, YouTube. With an endless supply of quality content, YouTube becomes not just a source of entertainment, but a potential ally in boosting your bank account. You see, the beauty of streaming and YouTube lies not only in their cost-effectiveness, but in the wealth of diverse content. Imagine having your entertainment fix without breaking the bank. It's a win-win, more content, more savings. So, if you're still holding on to that cable subscription, it might be time to reconsider. Now, as we bid farewell to the cable era, share your streaming preferences in the comments. Are you Team Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, or perhaps diving into the YouTube rabbit hole? The remote is in your hands, my friend. Now, let's transition to a realm where good intentions meet untapped potential, the world of gym memberships. If you like our video so far, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Gym expenses. The classic New Year's resolution, signing up for that premium gym membership with dreams of a fitter, healthier version of yourself. Fast forward a few months, and the reality often involves a dusty gym pass and a return to familiar sedentary routines. Why do we fall into this expensive fitness trap, and how can we break free? The allure of upscale gyms with spa-like amenities can be enticing. It's a promise of a fitness haven, but it often comes at a hefty price. Many find themselves paying for facilities they rarely use, trapped in a subscription that becomes more about prestige than practicality. It's time for a reality check. Ask yourself, why do you go to the gym? If it's for a quick workout, do you really need the spa experience? There are often more budget-friendly options that cater to your actual fitness needs without draining your wallet. Gym memberships transform from a tool for self-improvement to a financial burden when aspirations don't align with reality. The guilt of unused memberships lingers, with many too embarrassed to admit defeat, continuing to pay for services they're not utilizing. Whether you're a gym enthusiast or a casual goer, evaluate your fitness goals and the amenities you truly need. Sometimes, a more basic gym or even home workouts can be just as effective without the unnecessary financial strain. It's time to rethink your approach to fitness expenses. Evaluate your priorities, find a gym or fitness routine that aligns with your actual needs, and break free from the cycle of wasted money on underutilized memberships. As we step out of the gym, share your fitness journey in the comments. Have you fallen victim to expensive gym memberships? And how did you reclaim your fitness without breaking the bank? Now, let's pivot to a financial decision we've all faced at the checkout counter: the dreaded extended warranty. Extended warranty woes. Now, picture this. You're at the checkout counter, ready to seal the deal on your latest purchase. Then comes the inevitable question: would you like to add an extended warranty? It's a tempting safety net, but is it truly worth the extra cost? Undeniably, we've all been there. That split-second decision when the salesperson throws in the extended warranty offer. It seems like a wise move, a shield against potential mishaps. But is it truly a safeguard, or is it a sneaky expense hiding in plain sight? Opting for an extended warranty often means increasing the total cost of your purchase by almost 50%. The question is, are you paying for peace of mind? Or are you falling into the trap of over-insuring against unlikely scenarios? Before shelling out extra money for an extended warranty, pause and ask yourself a few key questions. Can you afford to replace the item without causing financial strain? Does the product already come with sufficient coverage from the manufacturer? Is the potential risk worth the additional cost? You see, personal finance wisdom often advises against unnecessary expenses. It's time to break the habit of routinely adding extended warranties. Instead, consider your financial situation, weigh the potential risks, and decide if the added cost is genuinely justified. But here's a thought. Investing in a higher quality product might outweigh the cost of adding an extended warranty. Quality items often come with sufficient manufacturer coverage, making the added warranty redundant and your purchase more cost-effective. As we navigate the checkout dilemmas, share your experiences in the comments. Have you been tempted by extended warranties, and how did you decide whether to opt in or pass? Now let's shift our focus from material possessions to a deeper pocket-draining culprit: the desire to impress others. trying to impress people. Now picture this scene, a shopping spree fueled by the desire to impress others. Whether it's a new outfit to turn heads or a flashy purchase to garner envy, many of us have fallen into the trap of spending money just to make an impression. But here's the reality check. Is it truly worth sacrificing your financial well-being for the sake of appearances? You see, humans have an inherent need to be accepted, a trait rooted in our primitive past. Back then, acceptance by the tribe meant survival. Fast forward to today, and while our survival is less precarious, the desire to fit in remains a powerful force. As Fight Club eloquently puts it, we buy things we don't need, with money we don't have, to impress people we don't like. Well, it's a truth many have experienced, the urge to spend to gain approval or admiration. Whether it's buying designer clothes, a flashy car, or a larger-than-life home, the financial toll of this desire can be hefty. The question is, what's the real cost of trying to impress others? Genuine connections are built on who you are, not what you wear or own. Beyond fostering authenticity in relationships, avoiding frivolous spending to impress has its financial perks. It's a more important matter. Instead of just looking rich, you have the opportunity to actually be rich. By redirecting funds from superficial purchases to savings or investments, you're paving the way for a more secure financial future. Well, before succumbing to the pressure of societal expectations, pause and evaluate your motivations. Ask yourself if the purchase is genuinely for your happiness or merely to meet external standards. Prioritize your financial goals over societal expectations. So, the next time you're tempted to make a purchase solely for external validation, remember, the true value lies in financial freedom and authenticity. As we conclude this exploration of financial pitfalls, share your thoughts in the comments. Have you experienced the tug of social pressures to spend for appearances, and how did you overcome it? Now, let's wrap up our journey, reflecting on the 7 financial traps we've navigated and the collective wisdom gained. Well, there you have it, a journey through 7 financial pitfalls, each with its lessons and opportunities for financial growth. From avoiding convenience charges to resisting the allure of impressing others, the path to financial freedom is paved with intentional choices. As we part ways, share your key takeaways and your own strategies for financial success. Remember, it's not just about saving money. It's about building a future that aligns with your values and aspirations. So what's your plan to avoid these pitfalls? Well, it's your decision to make, however. This video is your key to fulfill your goal. Now, if you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights. Stay tuned, and let's unlock the secrets to getting rich together.
As we close today's journey through the landscape of financial wisdom, we extend our heartfelt thanks to you, our dedicated viewers, for joining us. Please like and subscribe so that we may continue to bring you the best financial education.